Are you gonna go to the bag box?
What?
You gonna rebag
Oh yeah, one eggplant. One eggplant.
Yeah, when you're done, you put them over there, okay?
Chris, how many? Let me get you two onions.
Two of each.
Yeah.
Good. How many? Good. How many? This is what we do. Grab foods from the Orange Coast Commission, from the Education Center, where we're at the church. So, doing like short events. Again, foods, country foods, fun stuff. Please follow us on Facebook and all the social media. Sometimes, of course, visit our website, www.trinity.org, and you'll see everything we do so far. Thank you, and see you next time.